Hey, what's up, guys? Today I was able to capitalize on the market's downfall, gauging intraday market participants using a fixed TPO chart, other confluence factors like the VIX, and intraday order flow, which allowed me to take the market short, capitalizing on every move down. I would like to give you guys a small recap and just let me know if this is something you guys like. Into market open, one key level I was looking at yesterday was the FIT 6421 level, which was the close to the intraday low of yesterday, along with a bearish imbalance based off the profile. This was an important level that I wanted to see continuation to see if market was really in fact weak after yesterday's fall off. My charts, I have some key aspects that are essential to my trading. So one you could see is this delta footprint, which allows me to not only see the volume by price, but also the discrepancies between buyers and sellers. A blue delta indicates more buying, a red delta indicates more selling. Over here I have a DOM, which helps me indicate the actual live auctioning between market participants with actual live delta on the left, volume here in the middle, bids and offers here, and then a whole volume profile right here. And all over to the right, I have two other key indicators which help me out, which is the VIX, which is the volatility index, along with a candlestick chart, which also aligns with a heat map chart, which allows me to look at a book map similar feature, which allows me to look at just live bids and offers on by price. Now off market open, you could see how aggressively down we were selling. You could even see it by the delta by price right here. You could see the large aspects of red delta. And down here, you could even see it right here. You could see this large amount of red delta, which was transacting, which just shows the cumulative delta by bar. Now, one thing that was really interesting to me was that tail that we left behind. We were directing this level pretty nicely based off that tail. And that was something that was really interesting to me with along all this selling. But not only that, you could really see on the DOM as we were transacting up, the upticks were really moving really slow compared to the downtick. So that's what's something. Now for the cherry on top, you could see, and this is something I really use on my day-to-day aspect, is the VIX. The VIX was unable to get below this key level of 1835, and right over here, this was on once I saw the market was unable to get below, along with these other confluences intraday, I took the market short, targeting a break below the low a day and targeting along my all intraday at the lows. Now, one thing that allowed me to hold this trade a little bit longer was the ability to see that intraday, you could see these bids that were being offered right here. But sellers keep just sweeping them lower and lower and lower, showing that the aggressiveness from sellers and inability from passing buyers to hold this market up. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade analysis. If you guys really liked it, drop a thumbs up and I'll be dropping more.